Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? It's been a long time since I've done a food review, so I'm here with a Coca-Cola. As you might see, it's it's diet. Uh, it's a diet Coke. As you might see, it's exotic mango. I haven't tried it before, so which is why I bought it and I wanted to make a review of it. So I'm gonna have a look while you see at my bean puzzled. You can taste the mango. There's a lot of the mango flavor is quite prevalent. I don't really taste the cola of it at all. So if you want a mango drink, I would probably recommend this one. It tastes pretty good. It isn't as sour as mango can be, but there we go. If you tried it before, you can comment below. You can like and subscribe. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.